Hi Sam. Are you ready for today's German vocabulary word?
Hi Alex. Absolutely. What's the word for today?
Today we are learning the word.
Wagen.
It means car in English, but it can also mean to carry or to dare depending on the context.
That's interesting. I didn't know it could mean more than just car. Are there any false friends with this word?
Yes, there can be some confusion. In English, wagon refers to a type of vehicle that carries goods, but it's different from
Wagen.
which is more general and usually means a car. Let's break down the grammar of
Wagen.
It's a masculine noun, so we say
Der Wagen.
in the plural, it's
Die Wagen.
So, is there any special way to remember that it's masculine?
one hint is that many vehicle-related words in German are masculine, like
Der Bus. Der LKW.
Got it. What about the verb form?
Wagen.
can also be a verb, meaning to dare. In the present tense, you say
Ich wage. Du wagst.
and.
Sie, es wagt.
In the past tense, it's
Ich wagte.
and the perfect form is
Ich habe gewagt.
So, if I want to use it in a sentence, I could say,
Ich wage es, das zu tun.
perfect. That means I dare to do that. The imperative form would be
Wage es.
which means dare it. Now, let's talk about the history of the word.
Wagen.
Comes from Old High German,
Wagen.
which meant to move or to carry.
that's fascinating. So it has a long history related to movement.
Exactly. Over time, it evolved to refer specifically to vehicles. Let's break down the word itself.
Wagen.
Consists of the root,
Wag.
which relates to movement, and the suffix which indicates it's a noun.
That makes sense.
If we look at similar words, we can see how they're formed. For example,
Abwagen.
means to weigh up or means off.
And what about other similar words?
Sure. Here are a few.
Umwagen.
Means to change vehicles, or means around. Then there's
Vorwagen.
meaning to advance with the prefix,
Vor.
which means before.
I see.
Also, we have
Wagenheber.
which is jack as in a car jack, and
Wagenburg.
which means caravan.
That's really helpful.
Then we have
Wagenladungen.
meaning loads of vehicles. And don't forget,
Wagenrennen.
which is car racing.
Wow, that's a lot of related words.
Now, let's practice some real-life situations where you might use.
Wagen.
Imagine you're at a car rental place. You could start with,
Ich möchte einen Wagen mieten.
I'll try.
Ich möchte einen Wagen mieten.
perfect. Another situation could be at a mechanic. You might say,
Mein Wagen hat ein Problem.
meaning my car has a problem.
Mein Wagen hat ein Problem.
Great. Lastly, if you're talking to a friend about going on a trip, you could say,
Lass uns mit meinem Wagen fahren.
which means let's go with my car.
Lass uns mit meinem Wagen fahren.
Now, since
Wagen.
is masculine, remember that many masculine nouns often end in. A vivid image might be a strong, sturdy car, like a big truck.
I'll picture a truck to remember it.
Good idea. In terms of usage,
Wagen.
is neutral and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Some typical collocations are
Wagen fahren.
meaning to drive a car,
Wagen kaufen.
meaning to buy a car, and
Wagen reparieren.
meaning to repair a car.
That's useful to know.
Just be careful not to confuse it with
Wagen.
meaning to dare in different contexts, as the meaning can shift. Let's do a quick recall check. What's the meaning of
Wagen.
It means car or to dare.
correct? What's the plural form of
Wagen.
Die Wagen.
nice? How do you say I dare in German?
Ich wage.
Great. What's the past tense form?
Ich wagte.
Excellent. Lastly, can you give me an example of a situation where you would use
Wagen.
Yes.
Ich möchte einen Wagen mieten.
fantastic job today, Sam? Remember,
Wagen.
is a versatile word in German. You did great with the practice sentences, and I'm sure you'll remember it well.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about
Wagen.
today.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.